Hi, my name is Stéphane Defossé. I'm COO of MNC and 100% Alcatel-Lucent subsidiary specialized in mobile services such as SMS services, smartphone application, mobile payment, augmented reality, and so on. The demonstration we showed today is a combination of this know-how, mobile payment, augmented reality, geofencing, smartphone application. Let's imagine you are a passenger. You are going from Berlin to Bonn by train. Then you download the smartphone application of your transportation company. You buy your ticket with this application by using our mobile payment solution. And today is the day of your trip. Then, at the entrance of Berlin station, there is a small cells. This small cells is going to detect your presence in the station. By being connected to the small cells, you receive a notification, welcome in Berlin station. Then I open the notification, then I come back to the application, welcome in Berlin railway station, and because the system is connected to the back office of the transportation company, I know that the train of the passenger will arrive at platform 3 in 45 minutes. Then I give him this information. And because he has some time now, maybe he can do some shopping. Then, would you like to receive geolocalized offers? Yes. I say yes. Now, let's have a look to the offer available around me. I can see that in augmented reality that there is an offer in that direction. Then I'm going to in that direction. The other small cells send me a notification with the specific offers. Then I am able to mix a smartphone application with geofencing based on small cells. This is a part of the passenger experience we can offer thanks to the small cells technology, femtocells technology. And of course, we can enrich this experience during the trip by offering some other services to the passenger, such as mobile video. Let's imagine you can access to some movie during the trip thanks to LTE technology. Then you can choose a movie and watch a movie during the trip on the smartphone application. At the arrival, we can imagine some other services, because when you arrive at a new railway station, you never know where are the taxi, where are the hotels, where are the cash machine. Then we can offer that kind of services on the smartphone application. Thank you.
Hello, good afternoon. I'm looking for the way from here to the airport. Could you tell me how I can get there?
Yes, it's pretty easy. So you get a map over here.
Ah, perfect.
I can make it bigger for you so you can read it.
Ah, great, great.
You will see down here where we are.
Okay.
The direction to the airport.
Okay, that's great. Perfect. Yes.
Print it for you?
Yes, please. A printout would be perfect. And one more question. I have a ticket for today, but I'm not sure if it's still valid. Are you able to tell me if it's valid?
Yes, look great.
Ah.
See it now, and this is available.
Okay, perfect. Thanks a lot. And thanks for the printout. Bye-bye.